In a world of brass towers and coal-fired engines, civilization clings to existence on the edge of the iron frontier. For centuries, the last cities have survived, powered by steam and sweat, their skies filled with airships and the clang of endless machinery. But something is stirring beneath the drifting fog. Ancient tremors shake the very gears of the world. A forgotten legend awakens. The Iron Sentinel, a colossal automaton forged in an era long lost to history, rises from its slumber. Its glowing amber eyes scan a landscape of clockwork railways and rusted cities, a world teetering on the brink. Whispers travel on steam caravans, tales of a rogue inventor who once dared to fuse human consciousness with cold, hard steel. They say he has returned, and with him, a power that could unravel reality itself. The people look to the Sentinel, believing it to be their savior, their guardian returned. But its true purpose is far more complex, a mission buried deep within its core. It was programmed to hunt, to find the inventor and stop the catastrophic device known as the Steamheart engine. As the skies darken with gear-driven warships and massive steam cyclones gather on the horizon, one lone wanderer aboard a battered airship holds the key. They must uncover the Sentinel's secrets before the inventor's ambition plunges the world into a mechanical apocalypse. Prepare for an odyssey unlike any other. Witness explosive battles atop flying clockwork bridges, where sparks fly and metal screams. Soar through firelit skies as steamships navigate storms of steel. Feel the ground tremble with the unstoppable march of the Iron Sentinel, its gears thundering like war drums. Destiny is turning. A machine built for war may be their only hope for peace. The future of this steampunk world hangs in the balance. The journey has begun. From Futurescape comes an adventure that will redefine the age of steam. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join the Odyssey.